Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to form plural from singular form. Okay, in German. So actually in German there are singular as well as plural form of the noun, plural nouns and singular nouns. So there are different ways to form plural from singular noun. Okay, so that we are going to see here. So the most common and basic form of plural is adding e at the end of the noun, at the end of the singular noun. Now examples we'll see. So most of the masculine and neutral nouns, singular nouns, if we add e at the end of that, so it will become plural form. For example, there is a masculine noun called der Hund. Okay, meaning the dog. Now if we take the plural form of this, it will be die Hunde. Okay, meaning the dogs, because always for plural form there is a definite article die. Okay, so it will be die Hunde. Then suppose in neutral noun, there is a neutral noun called das Spiel. Okay, so if we take plural form of this, it will be die Spieler. So what we are doing here, we are just adding e at the end of the noun. So this is one of the most common and basic way to form plural. Then there is one more way, that is called as adding en at the end or just n. Suppose at the end of the singular noun there is a e. Okay, so we just have to add n at the end. For example, there is a feminine noun called die Blume, meaning the flower. Blume is flower. Now suppose we take plural form of this, it will be die Blumen. Okay, the flowers, Blumen, meaning what we are doing here, adding n at the end of the noun. Okay, so this is again one more way. Then we can form a plural noun by adding er at the end, right? So suppose there is a neutral noun called das Buch, meaning the book. Okay, so the plural form of book will be Bücher. So what we are doing here, adding er at the end, plus what we are doing, adding umlaut also on u. It will be Bücher, book and Bücher. So two things we are adding, umlaut as well as er at the end. Got it? So there is one more example of adding umlaut. That also we are going to see here. Suppose hand. Hand is Hand in German, very much similar to English. Suppose we take plural of this, it will be Hände. Okay, hands, Hände. H-A-A with umlaut and D-E. So what we are doing here, we are adding umlaut on A. So it will be Hände. Okay, so these are the different ways to form a plural noun from singular noun. Okay, now there are few exceptions here. There are few nouns which are only in singular form. Okay, that also we are going to see here. Suppose Geld. Geld is only in singular form. Or Milch. Milch is also there only in singular form. Just like this, there is some nouns which are there only in plural form. Okay, those are Ferien or Elton or Leute. Leute is people. Okay, so these are there only in plural form. So I hope this is singular and plural form is clear with you. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.